Wait a minute, I haven't punched the full throttle yet. Where's my GPS? 63 kilometers per hour. Hold on, let's change to 3S battery. I'm not gonna hide anything, I'm just keeping everything very straightforward and honest. Here's the wheelie bar. Look at that. I am killing it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Yes, it has been a while since we played with RC vehicles, and RC vehicles are coming back to my channel once again, people, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss the videos. Today in this video I have this Rlaarlo 1/14th scale RC 4-wheel drive electric buggy, brushless of course, which they claim that it can do about 100 plus kilometers an hour. Well, I know it's fast, but 100 plus kilometers an hour is a bold, big claim. Can it really do 100 plus kilometers an hour? Well, let's find out. So the buggy takes 2S and 3S batteries, and of course on both types of batteries it will offer a different type of performance. So first I'll put in a 2S battery and do some speed runs, and then 3S batteries and do speed runs. And guess what? I have my GPS unit, so we can find out exact GPS speed this buggy is doing. So today in this video you're gonna watch an on-road test, not only the speed test, but I will also give it some abuse because I brought my homemade ramp as well. So let's get to work and see how this thing performs, and after that I'll give you a closer look at its components. Is this the maximum speed? Come on, man. What's happening? Really? Wait a minute, I haven't punched the full throttle yet. Look at that. Ooh, it's just too much power, man. It's slipping. It needs more grip. That thing is fast, huh? Yeah, now we have lots of grip, man. Awesome. So how fast it is. Man, it just whooshes away, huh? Wowee, man, hold on. I really want to see how much speed it's doing. This is crazy. What did you put in it, huh? Hold on. Where's my GPS? So here's the Sky RC GPS unit, and I can put it on. Doesn't look too good or aerodynamic, but hey, if it works, it works. Start. Okay. All right. Nobody's there. Full throttle and coming back. Man, on 2S it's flying actually. All right, and we will stop and read 63 kilometers per hour. Man, that is nice. 63 kilometers per hour. Hold on, let's change to 3S battery. Now for 3S battery, you see I had to cut the shell because I have to mount the ESC slightly higher, and I also had to cut some of the frame, the top frame plate right here. I had to cut that. Okay, so that was 2S battery, 7.4 volt, 2800 milliamp. Okay, and I had to cut those things. Why? Because you see 3S is not easy to fit, and in order to fit the 3S I had to cut those parts. All right, so let's just fit the 3S in now. So let's see what can it do on 3S. Is the wheelie bar any use? I believe it has use. Nobody there? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That's what I was talking about. That's why there is a wheelie bar. Look at that. It's awesome. All right. I don't know if I will destroy it or not, but start. Okay. Start recording the speed. Oh, it's very difficult to control. I have to make sure to steady it. Okay, nobody there. Let's go steady and nice, slowly. Oh, it just pulled a long wheelie, man. No car? Good. I will come back for one more long pass. Did you see that? Wow! It will break a leg, man. All right, come back here, come back here. I want to see the maximum speed. Come back here and stop. Good, good. Read. 84 km/h, man. That was nice. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed because they advertised that this buggy can do 100+ km/h. But anyway, this is the reality, people, right in front of you. The buggy did 84 km/h on GPS test data. That's showing right here in front of your eyes. It's still not bad, man. This is still fast. I can tell you, this is still fast. Wait a minute. I brought myself a ramp. So let's see what this buggy can do on the ramp. Almost did the backflip, man. Yes, backflip, but went wrong. That was nice. Yikes! That was nice, but it just did cartwheelies there. Oh, the battery came out. Oh, almost broke my ramp. Oh, that was nice. I am killing it. But the thing is, it's still alive. This could be it. Yes! That was nice. It was basically a very bad hit on a rear wheel. That was nice. Keeps going around and around. Oh! Look at this, man. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps away. And finally the battery came out. Probably it had a deal that says, you know, spit me out please, otherwise I will bloat and explode. So let's put in a 2S battery and try to do more jumps, because seems like the buggy is still alive. The motor is really very hot. I wish I had my thermal camera here so I could see how hot the motor was. Unfortunately, I didn't bring it today. So I'm just gonna put in a 2S battery. GoPro, stop recording. Running 2S battery. That was nice. The thing with buggies are that when they hit the ground, you know, the belly hits really bad. Now excuse my dirty car. Well, it suits the off-road buggy. The buggy comes with this kind of radio control, and to be honest, after driving, though it fits in hands really nice and comfortable, but I find that the throttle range is very, very little. It should be from here so that you can easily control the throttle. The throttle is still proportional and linear, but having to have this little throttle move, it makes it difficult to control, because after this the buggy instantly shoots like a bullet. And also something with the steering, the potentiometer is not very good quality on this radio controller, so the buggy does a lot like that, and you have to turn down the turning rates on the radio a whole lot. The radio has throttle trim, steering rate, steering trim, on off button. So that was radio controller. Now here is the buggy. Excuse me, I had to cut this because not for the ESC cooling, but for fitting the 3S battery, which I'm going to show you in the video. You will find that out. So there's a shell. I like it that they provided this kind of holders on the pins so that you can, you know, easily pull the pins out. Okay, inside battery compartment fits 2S battery really nice, but 3S battery you have to cut something here and put the ESC slightly higher. We have main gear system right here. Buggy is running a full 4-wheel drive system, front differential, rear differentials, okay, central drive shaft, and the motor, which gets really hot but keeps on working still. Don't touch the motor, trust me, you will burn your hands really badly. But this little beast has a lot of power in it. You have seen it. Servo, nice and smooth. Okay, very nice response. But again, the radio potentiometer is crap, to be honest. Sorry, Rlaarlo. I'm giving you the truth so you can improve your buggy. Now notice this, that we have a carbon fiber towers and shocks. Look at that. They actually dislocated the springs. Dislocated. They are metal oil-filled shocks, adjustable. How cool is that? Oh, this shock has got scratches. Well, so notice the metal shocks. Ooh, something is bent here as well. Well, let me just unbend. That's just a screw. Sorry, carbon fiber is broken. Rlaarlo, I'm sorry, the carbon fiber is broken. So this is this. I'm not gonna hide anything. I'm just keeping everything very, very straightforward and honest. And you have seen the abuse I have given this buggy just now. Then we have metal dog bones, metal pieces right here, that dog bone holders, and something also metal right here. The cups right here inside, where there's axle as well on it, is also completely metal. So metal dog bones, metal parts here, and similarly, if we go back side, you can see oil-filled adjustable shocks, metal dog bones, and metal parts, and not to mention a wheelie bar as well. The tires are not very grippy when it comes to this kind of terrain, okay, or floor, but are very grippy on the road. I yet have to see how it will perform off-road. So there's a little screw right here, and I like the color accent that matching the color scheme completely. Sorry, the body will go like this. So the tire have this little color accent things right here. They are matching with the color scheme, and also the shocks are matching the color scheme. This one is nylon, I believe, and it's not gonna break no matter what you do. Good choice to do this, because normally these things will break once you give the abuse. Once you abuse the buggy, these things break really easily. Okay, after that, this part seems nylon, really nice and tough, and the front and rear, left and right arms, independent suspension, look at that. They are actually really nice and tough as well. Also notice the carbon fiber type frame. I hope it's a real carbon fiber. The screws are dug in, and still some screws got some, you know, scratching on them. So overall, I will say Rlaarlo, good job on this little buggy. This actually is really nice and fast buggy. In such a small shape, it does 63 km/h on 2S, and on 3S it does 83 km/h, not 100 plus km/h. So not bad. It's actually very nice, valuable buy right here. However, after the abuse, you have seen that this thing has broken. Carbon fiber is strong, but I believe Rlaarlo, if you had metal part right here, that will be more durable. So do consider metal part. I have scratch and chipped off plastic here as well. So far, the buggy is still alive and it's gonna do some off-roading. Though I have to see if I have this part at home, or I have to get this or repair this. I'll put some, you know, glue on it. Let's see, hopefully. So people, thank you very much for watching this video. Yes, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for off-road bashing of this Rlaarlo and see how long it will survive. Not to mention, they just told me a 1/7 scale monster truck is coming out as well. So stay tuned for that. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.